This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh cream dessert. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of very cold heavy cream, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chilling your bowl and whisk attachment for 15 minutes beforehand can significantly improve your whipping process. This simple preparation ensures a light and airy texture for your delicious dessert. Now, let's whip that cream to perfection. Pour the cold, heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Start your electric mixer on a low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. As the cream begins to thicken and soft peaks form, gently incorporate the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Continue whipping until stiff peaks hold their shape, but be careful not to overwhip, which can turn it grainy. With your perfectly whipped cream ready, it's time for assembly. Select your serving dishes. Small individual glasses or a larger trifle bowl work wonderfully. Begin layering your dessert. You can alternate the fresh cream with elements like sliced berries, crumbled cookies, or small pieces of sponge cake. Create visually appealing layers for a delightful experience with every spoonful. Your fresh cream dessert is almost ready. Place the assembled dessert in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the cream to set beautifully. Before serving, you can add a final touch with fresh fruit, chocolate shavings, or a light dusting of cocoa powder. It's a simple, elegant treat perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.